Today, Fort St. George stands in the center of Kumasi, a military museum. In the Asante tradition, it is believed that when one dies, one continues to live on in the next world. Funerals are therefore celebrated in a unique way: the one-week celebration, the funeral proper, and the 40th day rites. This celebration assumes a heightened traditional dimension, especially with the going to the village or passing away of the king. Otumfuo Oseidutu II celebrated the funeral of his predecessor, Otumfuo Pokuare II. People from all walks of life came to witness this unique tradition. Amidst firing of musketry, various chiefs, sub-chiefs, divisional and paramountcies within the kingdom came to mourn with the king. Dressed in the Batakari Kese, the Otumfuo proceeds through the principal streets of Kumasi. He is in mourning. Sitting in state, Otumfuo receives various dignitaries and diplomats who have come to pay homage and extend their condolences to him. Clad in mourning cloth, the whole nation of Asante mourns the passing away of a noble king. Various chiefs, sub-chiefs, divisional and paramountcies within the kingdom came to mourn with the king. The black funeral cloth, which signifies the solemnity of the occasion, is made using the dye of a special tree. Otumfuo is in mourning. There are many administrative duties that the Otumfuo performs. The settlement of arbitration is one notable one. Since his ascension to the Golden Stool, Otumfuo has settled well over 1,000 cases involving various towns, villages and clans, some of which had been in the law courts for so many years. His unique way of resolving conflict and promoting peace won him the name King Solomon. He was assigned on a peace mission by His Excellency, the President John Agyekum Kufuor, to dialogue with traditional rulers in war-torn Sierra Leone. This took him to Bo. Otumfuo has also been an excellent cultural ambassador to Asante mine. His travels abroad have brought him into contact and built fraternities with peoples of other cultures. One unique visit was to the governor of Lagos State in Nigeria,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
as well as the Oba of Lagos. Reunited with his people, Prempeh I, on his return from exile, was offered this building by the British. But the offer was rejected. Prempeh I only moved in after the Asantes had paid for the structure. Prempeh II succeeded his uncle, Prempeh I. He also lived and reigned from this palace. Adjacent to this old palace was the residence of the 15th monarch, the Asantehene Otumfuo Pokuware II. Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, the Asantehene, also renovated the palace of Otumfuo Pokuware II to its present state. As a homage and honor to his forebears, Otumfuo Pokuware II graciously converted the old palace home of his predecessor into a palace museum in 1995. This palace museum has on display rare and priceless collections of paraphernalia. Behold the wealth and gold artifacts and ornaments that the Asantes accumulated over the centuries. The Menchia Palace Museum has participated in several exhibitions and on several occasions won many awards and acclaim for its uniqueness and preservation of Asante history and culture. Asante mine is indeed the land of gold. For over 300 years, the people mined and used gold as currency and adorned themselves, especially the Asantehene, in gold. Yes, the Asantes are the proud descendants of gold. For centuries, the Asantes evolved a complete social and economic system within which industry, art and culture prospered. The lost wax method is used in producing gold weights, artifact and gold ornaments. The famous kente cloth, now used worldwide, originated from Asante. This rich tapestry of the Asante culture has evolved over the centuries in unique designs and color schemes. Some of them are the exclusive preserve of the Asante kings. Bonyure, a well-known town near Kumasi, where the weaving of kente is the main occupation of the inhabitants. This unique craft has been handed down over the centuries. Every member of a household has some knowledge into the intricacies of these weaving styles. A kente cloth may take from a few days to many months to complete, depending on the design and color scheme required. A lot of kente designs have special names and meaning. The Adinkra cloth is of Asante origin. It's designed with motifs with deep philosophical meaning. It's used on solemn and important occasions. Carving plays an important role in Asante culture. Almost all the musical instruments, like the drums, are made from wood. Efia is another popular town on the outskirts of Kumasi, where carvers design stools and other artifacts which are used during festive occasions, such as the Akwasidae. The Akwasidae is celebrated every 42 days. On such occasions, the praise singers recount the exploits of their ancestors. They recall how their illustrious king broke the yoke of Dinchra and built up a kingdom. Drumming accompanies the procession of Otumfuo to celebrate this occasion. Culture is at its best, and everyone may have the opportunity to be feted. Otumfuo receives various guests and visitors who may call upon him, both young and old. The singing of praise, Kwadrum, is a unique art that's handed down through the generations. Even the youth display this ability with great dexterity and finesse. This is the history of the people in musical form. The Ade Kese is the climax of all the Ades, and this celebration is a sight to behold. There is a rich display of rare gold ornaments and regalia. The procession attains its climax when Otumfuo's traditional convoy sets off. His apparel and ornaments are a dazzling blend of gold, and many people line the roads hours on end just to catch a glimpse of the magnificent king. The event culminates in a grand durbar where dignitaries of various walks of life converge to congratulate the king. Royal paraphernalia and regalia are a sight to behold. Asante is indeed rich in culture. Dance and music are the life and soul of Asante Mine. There is a range of dance forms for every occasion. Otumfuo Seitu II is seen here dancing to the rhythm of Frontom From. After this introduction to the history and culture of Asante Mine, we say Akwaba, welcome